2015 Ford F250 Super Duty Lariat Platinum. We had somebody argue the other day about Lariat and Platinum. Lariat Platinum. So obviously the Platinum package trumps a Lariat, but it does say both. So if you look at her ad and you get confused, that's why. This truck was a local trade-in on a brand new one. Ford factory bed cover, tuxedo black. Basically all options. Well, probably all options, not basically. 20-inch premium alloys, Michelin tires. And it has the peanut butter, chocolate, King Ranch colored, whatever you want to call it, interior. It does have a sunroof. Touchscreen premium stereo, heated cooled seats. 124,000 miles. WeatherTech floor mats. This truck came in exactly as you see it. We ran this vehicle through quick service and inspection. It needed nothing but a light bulb. Washed it and dressed the tires. And I'm sure he vacuumed it, but what you see here is exactly as this truck came in. So that is great that somebody took that good of care of this truck. We got it straight from the Ford dealer where it was traded in. No auction, no middleman, so it hadn't been all dogged out. Completely stock, no exhaust modifications, no chips, no tuners, no air boxes, nothing added at all. It does have a spray-in bed liner, but the bed cover is locked. We do have the key. No rust, Virginia truck, clean inside and out. It's the VIN number, pricing and miles. No problem for bank financing. This vehicle values extremely well. That's a shadow right there. That's not a tear. It's just a shadow of some sort. Still got the thing wrapped around the headrest from the factory. Crazy. Obviously has not had a lot of passengers because the back seat doesn't look like it's been sat in. And even the edge of the driver's seat is not tore up at all. Somebody's taking good care of this leather. It's still nice and soft. Passenger seat perfect. 6.7 Powerstroke. Runs excellent. Comes with a 30-day warranty from us, just like most of our vehicles do. No questions asked. Powertrain warranty. Call, stop in. This truck will not last long. We brought this in for a particular customer. He's supposed to come in today. He does not get it. Somebody's going to get one hell of a truck. DavisAutosales.com or Davis4x4.com. There's the telephone number right there. Plenty of other inventory. Ford, Chevy, Dodge, a couple Toyotas, Internationals, commercial inventories back in stock good. Quite a few rollbacks and flatbeds as well. Thanks for looking.